Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Today I'm going to go over two marijuana stocks and the potential for the cannabis industry as legalization is spreading around the world. Recently, Canada legalized recreational marijuana, which means Canada is the second country in the world and the first G7 nation to implement legislation to permit a nationwide marijuana market. While in the United States, 9 states and the District of Columbia now allow recreational marijuana use and 30 allow for medical use. With that said, as legalization spreads, there's more upside in certain marijuana stocks. First stock I want to talk about is Canopy Growth, ticker symbol GCGC. CGC. Canopy Growth is a world-leading diversified cannabis company offering distinct brands and curated cannabis varieties in dried, oiled, and capsule form. They have operations in 7 countries with a combined 665,000 square feet currently and over 5 million square feet production expansion underway. The current price is $30.95. Market cap is $5.19 billion and no PE ratio or forward PE ratio, which means they are not profitable at the moment. All right, let's take a look at the performance. One-year performance went from $6.07 to $30.95, and 5 years was from $3.09 to $30.95. For some reason in Robinhood, the actual data is not accurate, which is why I went to the web browser. All right, the dividend yield is 0, which means they are reinvesting all profits back into growth. Canopy Growth has a strategic partnership with Constellation Brands to produce cannabis-based beverages. Constellation Brands invested $245 million in Canopy Growth, which means Constellation Brands has a 9.9% stake in Canopy Growth. I think this is a very good move because Canopy Growth core products only come in dried bud, oil extract, and soft gel capsules, and by having this partnership to produce beverages, it'll capture a larger market. Canopy Growth's brand strategy is well played in that they have diverse brands that allow them to effectively deploy products that are targeted toward specific customer demographics, use occasions, and product form factors. For example, for medical purposes, they have the Spectrum Cannabis brand. For the higher end premium products, they have the brands Tweed and Vert. There's also 3 other brand categories of affiliate, value added, and customer access. In the medical space, Canopy Health is also advancing medical cannabis that will help treat patients. They have global IP protection and 27 patent applications filed. In terms of commercialization, Canopy Growth has the first right to commercialize IP that is developed by Canopy Health. Canopy has aggressive global expansion in areas like Canada, Jamaica, Chile, Brazil, Spain, Germany, Denmark, and Australia. Last but not least, the revenue and sales have been steadily increasing quarter after quarter. Next stock I want to talk about is GW Pharmaceutical, ticker symbol GWPH. GW is a biopharmaceutical company known for its multiple sclerosis treatment product Nabixmols, or brand name Sativex, which was the first natural cannabis plant derivative to gain market approval in any country. Another cannabis-based product, Epidiolex, was approved for treatment of epilepsy in 2018. GW's vision to be the global leader in prescription cannabinoid medicines, developing and commercializing pharmaceutical products which address clear unmet needs. The current price is $147.50, market cap is $4.1 billion, and no PE ratio or forward PE ratio, which means they are not profitable at the moment. All right, let's take a look at the performance. 1 week down 2.3%, 1 month down 8.39%, 3 months up 33.09%, 1 year up 43.59%, and 5 years up 1,566.67%. The dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. GW has over 19 years experience in researching and developing prescription cannabinoid medicines, with 14 cannabinoids evaluated in preclinical research and cannabinoids exported to over 35 countries for research. The 500 plus in-house team has expertise in bringing drugs to regulatory approval with over 50 phase 2 and 3 clinical trials and over 55,000 patient years of human safety data. GW has a deep pipeline of additional cannabinoid product candidates with a focus on pediatric neurologic conditions within epilepsy, autism, NHIE, and schizophrenia. In terms of financials, the amount of cash as of March 31st, 2018 is $487 million, and cash outflow guidance is about $140 million. So would I add Canopy or GW in my portfolio? I currently do not have either stocks in my portfolio, but will be adding a small position in both because of the potential for growth. I think this growth is very risky and speculative, as it is dependent on regulatory approvals and pending legalization in other areas domestically and internationally. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Canopy and GW? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.